my name is Pharah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do some do-it-yourself cosmetics, and it's this wonderful peeling that we are going to make ourselves. It's with lemon and ginger, and the peeling effect is made by brown sugar contained inside of that. And of course the advantage is that it's all natural and sustainable, and we make it ourselves, and it smells beautiful. For our next recipe, we need a little more ingredients, but still it's super quick to make. We need this kitchen grater, some small glasses to put the finished peeling inside, some grated orange peel, some ginger, some fresh olive oil, a table and a teaspoon, a knife, some fragrance oil, some coconut oil you would normally use for cooking, and brown sugar. Then we need a little pot and a bigger pot filled with hot water and something to cook. We will start with 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil that we will melt in the hot water bath. Once the coconut oil has this kind of consistency, we can put it away from the cooking plate. And now we start adding 1 tablespoon of the olive oil. And we mix both of it together. As a next step, we start cutting the ginger. And once the peel is gone, we will start rasping it into the mixture. The plate is cold. I just put it back onto the plate and we'll mix it. Please don't heat it anymore. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of the grated lemon peel to the mixture. And start mixing all of it. And as a last step, we will add 1 tablespoon of the brown sugar to the mixture. And please now don't be confused that it doesn't get completely liquid because it's a peeling. We don't want something completely liquid. We want to have this peeling effect, and that's exactly what the sugar does in a natural way. So there's no plastic or microplastic continued because we're all making it ourselves, and in normal peelings you often have microplastic. So I will add a bit more sugar if it is too liquid because we really need the peeling effect, and mix it. And maybe if it's like this, I would add even a bit more. So the recipe says 1 tablespoon, but I added now 2 or 3. I think it also depends on the coconut oil you use, how much sugar you need to add. So I think this consistency, like this, I will show you, is the perfect consistency for the peeling. It's really nice. So once we're done with the peeling, we will prepare these little forms. And make sure they're clean inside, and then we can fill the peeling into the forms. And now we can close it. So we're done with the peeling, and it looks like this. It's really beautiful. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and leave a like or comment. See you soon.